Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you're going to see how to change language on Facebook desktop. The procedure is same for Facebook application and Facebook desktop, so I'm going to show you in my Facebook application. Head over to your Facebook and in here tap on the three lines icon on the top right. Scroll down and go to settings or privacy. Tap on settings. Now in here search for language. And here tap on language and region. And in here you can change the language of your Facebook. Whatever you want to use, just select and tap on save on the top left. So yeah, this is how you can just change language on Facebook desktop. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.